वेलकम टू आवर चैनल इंग्लिश विद किशोर। देखिए, मैं इस गांव के अंदर आया हूँ एक वीडियो बनाने के लिए और मैं इस गांव के अंदर देख रहा हूँ कि कौन इंग्लिश बोल पाता है और मैं किसके साथ इंग्लिश बोलूँगा। सो गाइस, ढूंढते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। So guys, finally I have met a person and he is standing beside me right now. I am going to ask questions to him. So he is ready to give answer of my question. So first of all, tell your name and what's your name?
My name is Adarsh Lakhera.
Oh, okay, Mr. Adarsh. Tell me that right now I'm going to ask some questions. You have to give answer of my questions. Are you ready or not?
Yeah, I'm ready, sir.
Okay. So first of all, tell me that one thing that how is education in village?
Sir, education in village is good, and if a student wants to learn something from the school, so definitely he can, and there will be no problem.
Okay. So what are you getting from here? Which type of education are you getting from here?
Yeah, because right now I'm living in village, so you can see the ecosystem of the village. There are many things like agriculture. We can explore more and more about the agriculture in the villages, and that is a main benefit of the villages, that we cannot if we are going to the cities, then we cannot see agriculture, and these are very important terms in our life. So
okay, Mr. Adarsh, tell you one thing that right now I'm going to ask second question. Tell that where is good education in city and village?
Sir, I think if we are going to if we are going to city, so we can see that there are many facilities available as compared to village schools. But the thing is that it's all depend on the student, and if a student is brilliant in his work and if he wants to learn, and so definitely it will not matter. It does not matter. This is village or the city. So because right now technology is going on, and we can see that we all have mobile phones, so we can go to YouTube and you can search about your topics, so there will be no problem, and you can use YouTube as your tuition. So yeah, that's very good.
So because first of all, right now tell you one thing that you have got education from village. So what are you doing and what have you got in education?
Right now I am pursuing my Bachelor of Computer Application from Jagan Institute of Management Studies, which is affiliated by Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University.
Okay, Mr. Adarsh, if you're getting chance to go to city to get education, so would you like to go or not?
Yeah, definitely I will go.
Okay, so what will you see in city if you're going there? So which kind of, because you are changing your environment, because there is very different environment, so how that environment, can you tell me?
Yeah, because I think I have a special ability of making friends, so definitely I will be making friends there, and I'm learning from the environment. Because
So you will leave all friends from village?
yeah, there is a special line, you can say that if you want to achieve something, so we have to lose something. So these line we can
because you have been living here for a long time, so that's why how can you leave village? Because village there's no problem, you have got many things, and you are like you have done your studies from, you have done your education from village, so why living?
yeah. But the thing is that right now I'm in IT sector and I cannot stay in
So you
village
are
right
going,
now.
okay, so you are going to get job?
Yes, because I have to see my future also, not my friends. And
okay,
yeah.
so which type of jobs do you want?
I want to be a full stack web developer, and which has two roles.
Can you speak something about it?
A front end full stack web developer is that there are two roles: front end programming and back end programming. In this, it's all about the website making. And if you are making website and we are seeing a website in Google Chrome, so it is called front end. But
Okay, Mr. Adarsh, because I have listened many times, because in village so many students they don't study properly, so would like to speak something about them, because I met so many boys, but they didn't give answer of my questions, but right now you are giving answer. How are you giving answers?
so sir, I think it's all
Because
depend.
you are intelligent in this village.
As I told you, sir, it's all depend on the person, and because I have studied English also. So that's why I'm speaking fluently.
You are speaking well. There is no problem at all. So are you taking classes of English or not?
Yeah, I have taken classes, but right now lockdown is going on. Lockdown was going on, so that's why I have taken some rest. So
Okay. So do you speak English every day or not? And how often do you speak English? Can you tell something?
sir, I think I never speak English daily.
You don't speak every day.
No.
So right now, how are you feeling? Because you are speaking English, and how are you feeling? Are you feeling nervous or not?
No, sir. What is the matter in this?
So others, it is last question for you. That would like to give some message to those students, and so many students they don't study, and they don't keep time to their study, and because they have lack of knowledge. So would like to give some message to them.
Sir, I think, sir, if I am giving the message to them, so definitely, if they wants to change, definitely they will change. But I think there will be no benefit of giving my message to him.
So according to you, what should they do?
Yeah, but I think we can focus in our studies, and we can make our study as an interest. That you can take my example that right now I'm speaking English and I'm speaking fluently. That is only and only because I have made interest in English, and I enjoyed that particular subject.
Okay, others, when you speak English, so how do you feel?
Yeah, I feel definitely very good because you can see this area, and right now there is some people who can speak English, but there are many people they cannot speak English. So
Okay. So guys, now you have seen that he has given answer of my questions, and he spoke English with me. So you know that it is fantastic, and now I got a person and he spoke English, and there is no problem. So guys, you watched this video, so thank you very much, and I hope that you have got something. So guys, keep it up. So thank you very much. Bye bye.